Oh yeah, I should probably show you some of the road. So I'm on Patterson Saddle now. I came up from the Cottage Grove side, and once you get to where the turn is, it'll take you to Moon Falls, Spirit Falls, Pinnard Falls. There's a bathroom down there. You actually stay on this road. It goes to the left, and it goes all the way down to Highway 58 at Lookout Reservoir. There's it's actually 3 ways right here. Junction. Make sure you bring your map. 5847 is what that says. And it's kind of last sharp left-hand turn that should take us to the trailhead. I researched this ahead of time and then brought, a good map that blows up the Cottage Grove Ranger District. And then also, of course, I got a GPS app going too. All right, I take that back. There was another Y in the road. Going left again at 555. That sign right there. Okay, the road got real steep for the last little stretch there, and there's actually another Y. Do not take this one, which is 110. Stay to the right and keep going towards the trailhead. This does look kind of cool though, so I thought I'd check it out. All right, well, it did end it all right, real quick like, and what a cool spot. Again, you can see the Fairview Lookout Tower, Bohemia Mountain, and right over here, Diamond Peak, once again. And through the tree, right there is Cowhorn, looks like. Pretty sure it's one of those. There's some other stuff too, but those trees are kind of blocking it, so you can't quite make it out. I think I'll mark this down on my GPS to remember. Come back to. This is a cool little spot. You could car camp on a starry night. It's on your left. The road keeps going that way. I'm not sure how long I have to look at the map again, but anyway, there you go. Left. It's not too bad out here. So far I haven't seen any of the tree damage like everywhere else. All right, I haven't said anything yet, but there's been motorcycle tracks kind of the whole way in here. That's a big no-no. This is the worst one I've seen yet, and this is why it's a no-no, because if more than one person does it, it's going to ruin the trail. There's plenty of trails out there for people to do that, and I love doing that too, don't get me wrong. But that's not what this trail's for. So if you hear about anybody doing it, please discourage them. It's really, really over the top rude. I mean, you got to be a complete knucklehead to think that there's anything cool about that. So, this is the trail that goes all the way back to, if you want to do a long route, all the way back down to Highway 58. Eula Ridge connects down to the South Willamette Trail, I do believe. Looks like I got some snow to go through. Yeah, look at this. Jeez. What is he doing? Just burning out? God. Yep, had a few post holes there. First tree I came across, it's all the way across the trail. Looks like it fell off right there. That's the easier way. Little skunk cabbagey swampy area. Definitely would be better to start this trail earlier in the day. I just got done working and it's like, you know what? Got some time to kill. Everybody else is busy. I'm gonna go see if the road's clear to Patterson Mountain. Finally. Last time I tried it, I did it with a friend and we got stuck in the snow, and that was like the first snow of the year. Yeah, we didn't get stuck, but we couldn't make it up here. There was a tree across the road actually. So this meadow is full of hellebore and wild yellow iris, according to the book. This is really cool. Wow. It's going to be loaded. Beautiful flowers here pretty soon. Look at these things. This would be a great spot to come when there's no moon and clear skies with some stars. The trail is about 50 feet back over there. Wow, cool. Digging it. Okay, we're at the next junction, and the book says take a right first. Go check out this shelter and then come back that way. I think I see a shelter. Some big trees. Oh wow. Hello. Make sure the resident cougar is not taking a nap up here. So this was destroyed or vandalized. Something happened to it and then they redid it. Volunteers, really cool. I have to go back and read the pages to see how that works, but you can do that. Yeah, there it is. The Lone Wolf Shelter. The fire pit. That meadow is just I can actually see it through the trees behind me. It's not very far away at all. So wow. That'd be cool. I think I can hear water. That's weird. Unless it's wind. I'll look at the GPS. Definitely hear water. Huh. That's really cool then. So you don't have to pack a bunch of water up here, you can just bring a filter. Well, I found the water source just a little ways away. It's actually that meadow up there, all those wildflowers are. Rolls out over there, and then it starts going, like that's the end of it, and there it goes downhill, gets marshy, turns into a spring. So I want to come back here late summer and kind of verify that there's still plenty of water before relight on it, of course. All right, back on the trail. Yeah, I forgot that I left the shelter, went back a couple 100 feet to the junction. So there's the shelter right there. Walked back over there to the junction right over here. And then the trail that I came in on goes the opposite way. But now we're on this trail headed to Patterson Mountain, I think, if I can make it before it gets too ridiculously dark in here. Just had to stop for a second. It's got really kind of opened up and brightened up and big trees. with a whole bunch of little tiny hemlocks. Pretty neat area. Just past a really good high spot where I could see the top of Lookout Reservoir down below. Trying to hurry, but I just had to stop here. All right, this is almost to the summit. About 1/10 of a mile left. Beautiful place to stargaze. Also, looks like it's gonna be loaded with flowers here pretty quick. All kinds of neat stuff on the ground here. Bring your own water. You could camp up here. Okay, made it to the summit. The really strange thing about this deal is my app, the trail goes totally different. I mean, similar, but very, very different. I mean, I've been off before on different other trails with the app, but this one definitely takes a huge different loop turn, almost like it's been updated to a different trail or something. I don't know. But wow, great view. That's the, I'll go back here for a second. I don't know if you can see that or not, but, and I don't think that, I gotta go back and read the book. I don't think it said anything about being able to see the three sisters. But there is south, middle, north, I think, and Broken Top. So this place is a gem for anybody who hasn't been up here. Lookout Reservoir right down there too. From up where the bench is, I'll be able to see it better here in just a minute. Thought I'd show you this neat cliff area. Yeah, pretty amazing though, seriously. I mean, I always thought this was going to be kind of a podunky hike, so I've avoided it for a long time, but it's actually phenomenal. It's gorgeous the entire way. It's not too hard. It is uphill the majority of the way. All right, here's the actual exit out of the timber up here to the summit. One of these days I'll invest in a camera. Maybe. So I'm kind of guessing this is the end of my video. I've got probably about an hour 15, an hour if I really haul ass back to the car, and it's already getting close to 7. Thanks for watching. And you know, I don't think I've seen any videos out there of Patterson Mountain. There might be, and I just might have missed them, but hopefully this one will help people out and inspire folks to get up here. Pretty cool. Enjoy. All right, so just finished section of Lawler Trail to Patterson Mountain. So I walked for 2 hours and 26 minutes, and it was 5.5 miles. And I lollygagged and I cruised. So, I mean, if somebody's gonna come up here and spend some time, hanging out at the shelter, having a picnic, that kind of thing, give yourself 3 hours just to be comfortable, I'd say. All right, now let's see if I can catch a sunset. It is a little bit after 8.